Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Redmi Watch 4. So first, quick overview of the box. We can find some basic information about the display. That's actually the AMOLED display, long battery life, supports Bluetooth calling, advanced health and workout tracking, GNSS support, and that's basically it. So let's go inside. That's how the watch looks. We have to take off all of these foils to open it. So let's start, for example, from this inside. There we go. And another one right here. And the last one on the right side of the band. And from here we can also get rid of this one. And that's how the screen looks. The screen is completely flat. Oh, I thought there was some scratches, but it's actually some pieces of the dust. Now I'm gonna open this strap. There we go. So right here we can find the sensor, the gold pins to charge our device. There is like one button. It looks like there's like stereo speaker. I mean the speaker, the normal speaker. And this one actually looks like the microphone, but we are gonna test it. So now let's try to turn it on. It actually looks a little bit like the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's see if we can actually turn it on. Yeah, that was the Mi logo on the screen, but right now it just turns off. So let's try to repeat. There we go. Now let's take a look. Oh, it even comes with the HyperOS, so that's cool. Let's take a look for the other accessories that we can find in the box. So from here we can probably find some accessories, and it's actually the charging cable. Yeah, there it is. And from the accessories it looks like that's all. It's nothing more. Yeah, definitely. And on the right side we can find some paperwork, and it's actually the user manual. Now let's see what we can find right here. Okay, so first of all we can pick the language, and we have to download the Mi Fitness application to connect with our phone, and that's also the QR code that we can actually scan to get this application. From about we can find our device name, model, address, the watch operating system, and that's basically it. From here we can also reboot, power off, or reset. So yeah, that's all the quick unboxing of the Redmi Watch 4. If you are looking for some tutorials, for example how to pair this watch with Android, iPhone, or other things, just simply follow my channel and watch some videos related to the Redmi Watch 4 phrase. And that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel.